So we are on point of interest number 4. Welcome to the video, by the way. This is a different one from what I normally do, but there is a rally down in Bloomington area, Indiana, called the, what did we decide it was called?
Schweinefleischring.
The Schweinefleischring. There was a story about somebody mapped out like a replica of the Nurburgring in Indiana. I read the story, and then it turns out they were doing like a rally on it this weekend, the 23rd. It's the first time doing it. So I asked my wife if we could do it as our anniversary trip. And that's what we're doing. So it's been a lot of fun. We started at number 2, so we've done 3 points of interest. We stopped at a little restaurant. It was a lot of fun. I'll get some driving shots here soon. Right now we're in like a little town of Bedford, and we have good reception and everything, so kind of catching up on some emails. And yeah, good times. Enjoy. Different back roads to get there, and we literally got probably 1/8 of a mile away from the linking road to it, and it was flooded out too. So we've kind of given up on that. We're moving on to point of interest number 7 and 8 because we're kind of running out of time, but it's still fun. It was really stressful going down those terrible roads. But Mustang's fine, we're fine. We're happy. So we'll once we get past point of interest number 8, which is like go to the IU football stadium, the roads will start to get really good again. I've actually been in that little section of Bloomington before. Actually, we have, for our anniversary trip, 10-year anniversary trip. Yep. So that's actually one of the roads we took to Bloomington when we went to the movie. Yeah. So we're going to be going back one of those roads. So, and I remember driving that road, and I was like, man, this would be so much fun in a fun car. So I'm excited for that, but we're going to tick off a couple more points of interest, try to get some more points, and do the best we can without getting the one. Hopefully we find a pig, because if there's a pig, you get extra points for getting pictures of a pig.
There are no pigs.
There's no pigs. A bunch of cows. We've seen a lot of cows. Goats.
Never seen so many goats.
Turtles.
Yeah. Butterflies.
Don't mention the butterfly. I killed the most peaceful butterfly, like, coming across the road. update. So we made it to Bloomington. It's raining. We got stormed on. We didn't beat it. We were trying to beat the storm to a restaurant that's part of like one of the places where you can get points on the food you buy. I mean, we were probably 30 seconds shy of beating it. Katie's exhausted. It's been a long day on the road. Trying to get to the damn point of interest was like exhausting, like mentally, and those roads were stressful. I wish I would have recorded them, but I was so stressed out about my car, sadly, that I didn't turn the camera on. I wish I would have, but I didn't. But so now we're kind of we're making the turn to basically head back to where we started. So I'd say we're 75% done with it, and the last few were pretty close together. So probably actually closer to about 80 to 85% done with it. But it's been fun. The next part of the road is it's a beautiful road, so I'm going to film some of that. Sorry about my terrible windshield wiper blades, but yeah, next year I want to do this again, so hopefully we can.
In a drought.
In a drought, yeah. Don't do it like we did with all the flooding. So. Okay. After a huge detour again, I should have recorded by the lake. It was beautiful, but yeah. That's so going in the video. We're done. We did it. Except for one, the dam. We didn't make it to the dam due to flooding, but it was a ton of fun. There was a lot of weather-related issues, but it was still fun and it was a good time. I would definitely do it again, or even something similar.
I'd do it, yeah.
It's a lot of fun. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check out the podcast and check us out on Instagram as well. Thank you so much.